turn around. Miss Michelle and I will also be able to look at Mr. Marks. What is it? Skyscrapers?
No. It's a house like this.
Is it a house like this? Is it a house like this?
It's skyscraper.
You think it's a skyscraper? Ah, that's not a skyscraper.
I don't know how this works.
Apartments! Apartments! Whoa, what does supermarket sell?
Right there.
They sell food and Yvonne's house. You see birds.
Nice.
To the people shopping. All right. Does anyone want to buy some kiwi?
Yeah. Banana.
Bananas? I see bananas, but they're outside the shop.
Banana.